Hey, today I'm unboxing something very huge. It's the Philips 40B1U5601H 40-inch ultra-wide monitor, and it's going to be a big upgrade for my working desk. In today's video I will show you what's inside the box of this monitor and how to set up something like this. In the next video I will talk more about its features. It will be my review of this Philips 40-inch ultra-wide monitor. More information about this monitor can be found in the video description. If you have any questions while watching the adventure, feel free, leave them below the video. But now let's get to work and set up.